Welcome to this powerful journey of manifestation. Today we will align our energy with abundance, success, and fulfillment. The words you are about to hear are designed to help you attract the life of your dreams, filled with prosperity and joy. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and allow these affirmations to transform your mindset. Let's begin. I am open to receiving the abundance the universe has to offer. I welcome abundance in all forms. I am deserving of prosperity, joy, and success. As I breathe deeply, I invite positive energy and limitless opportunities into my life. The universe is always working in my favor, and I trust in its infinite possibilities. My thoughts create my reality, and I am the master of my thoughts. I understand that my thoughts are powerful, and I choose to focus on abundance. Every thought I think is a seed I plant for my future. I am the creator of my reality, and I shape it with positivity, intention, and belief. As I think, so I manifest. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. I deserve to live a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. I release any limiting beliefs that hold me back. I am worthy of achieving my dreams, and I know that all my efforts are leading me toward success. Today, I choose to believe in my worth and value. I attract opportunities that align with my highest good. I am a magnet for success. The universe presents me with opportunities that are aligned with my dreams and purpose. I trust that everything is unfolding perfectly, and I take inspired action toward my goals. Opportunities flow to me effortlessly. I am grateful for the abundance I have and the abundance on its way. Gratitude is the key to abundance. I am thankful for everything I have right now, and I know that more is on the way. As I express gratitude, I attract even more blessings into my life. My heart is filled with appreciation for the abundance that surrounds me. I let go of fear and embrace abundance with confidence. I release any fear or doubt that may be blocking my path to abundance. I choose to trust in the process. I know that the universe is abundant and there is more than enough for everyone, including me. I step forward with confidence, knowing that I am fully supported. I am constantly growing and expanding, attracting more success each day. Every day, I grow more aligned with abundance. My skills, talents, and abilities are constantly expanding, allowing me to attract more success, wealth, and happiness. I am in a state of continuous improvement, and I trust that the universe is guiding me on my path. My dreams are within reach, and I take inspired action every day. I believe in my dreams. They are not far away. They are within my grasp. Each day I take inspired action that brings me closer to achieving my goals. I am motivated, focused, and driven by a clear sense of purpose. The universe supports my journey every step of the way. I am in harmony with the flow of abundance. Abundance flows to me with ease. I am in sync with the rhythm of the universe, and I allow blessings to enter my life. I no longer resist or push. I simply align myself with the flow of prosperity. Everything I desire comes to me effortlessly. I attract wealth and success in all areas of my life. Wealth is not just about money, it's about fulfillment, health, love, and happiness. I attract wealth in every form, and I am surrounded by abundance in all areas of my life. My life is rich with purpose, meaning, and success, and I welcome it all with open arms. I trust the timing of my life. I understand that everything happens in divine timing. I trust that the universe is unfolding exactly as it should. I release any impatience or frustration, knowing that my dreams are on their way to me at the perfect time. I remain patient, calm, and confident. I am aligned with the energy of abundance, success, and joy. I vibrate at the frequency of abundance. I radiate success, joy, and fulfillment, and the universe mirrors that energy back to me. My energy is magnetic, attracting positive experiences and opportunities. I am in perfect alignment with the life of my dreams. I am a powerful creator, and I manifest my dreams with ease. I hold the power to create my reality. I manifest my desires with confidence and ease. I have everything I need to turn my dreams into reality. I trust my abilities, and I know that my desires are being fulfilled right now, in this moment. I am grateful for the infinite abundance in my life. My life is overflowing with abundance, and I am thankful for it all. From the smallest blinks to the grandest achievements, I express gratitude for every moment. The more I appreciate what I have, the more the universe provides for me. My mind is clear, focused, and aligned with my dreams. I have a clear vision of what I want to achieve, and I stay focused on that vision every day. I am aligned with my dreams, and I take action that brings me closer to them. My mind is sharp, my heart is open, and my path is clear. As you continue through your day, remember that you have the power to manifest your dreams. You are capable, deserving, and in complete alignment with the abundance the universe has to offer. Take a deep breath and carry these affirmations with you, knowing that you are on the path to success, joy, and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Continue to believe in yourself, trust the process, and know that the universe is working in your favor.